Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to center object in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to center object in this document. Firstly, we insert some object in this document. Firstly, we go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then insert some picture as our object. Now I select a picture and insert it. Then we click the picture and go to the format menu. Then click wrap text option and choose in front of text. Then resize the picture some small. Then go to the insert menu and click shapes option. Then draw a shape as a object. Now we can see here we insert some object. Now we select this multiple object, press shift on your keyboard. Now we can see here we select this multiple object, then go to the format menu and click align option, then align center. Now we can see here we align this object center very easily. Otherwise you can align another like left, align right, align top, align middle or bottom, etc. Now we can see here we align this object center very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.